Fifth one, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of arc. Second one, area of sector formed by the arc, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Now what is given there? A circle of radius 21 centimeter is there, subtends by an angle 60, okay, at the center. Now let us draw that figure. A circle is there, an arc is there, so let us mark this one as an arc, okay, this portion as an arc. It subtends an 60 degree at the center. Your first question is you have to find the length of the arc, that is this much, this length you have to, that blackened part you have to, dark blackened part, this you have to find out, arc, length of the arc. Now second one is area of the sector, this one you have to find out, area of the sector. Third one is the segment, area of the segment formed by corresponding chord, that is if you are drawing a chord like this, area of this part, that is segment, you have to find out. So let us mark that OAB. So let us mark this one as C. First question is to find out the length of the arc. So we have already learned length of arc. That formula is 2 pi r theta by 360, okay, where r is given there 21 and theta is given 60 degree. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 60 by 360. Now 7 and 21 you can cancel, 3, now 60 and this one also you can cancel, 6 times it will come. Now 2 and 3 you can cancel, with 6 what you are getting, length of arc, that is 21 centimeter, okay, that is the first question. Now second question is what? Area of the sector formed by the arc, so that is area of this portion you have to find out, okay. So area of sector formula, area of sector is equal to pi r square theta by 360. Length of arc was 2 pi r theta by 360 and area of sector is pi r square theta by 360. So pi value 22 by 7, r is 21 into 21. Now theta is 60 by 360, so 6 times. Now this one you can cancel, 3, again 11 it will come 2 times, you can cancel with this, so 21 into 11 it will come, 21 into 11. Now (231) area sector, that is centimeter square. Now third one is area of the segment formed by corresponding chord, that means you are asked to find out area of this portion, segment. So area of segment, how will you find? I already told you, area of sector minus area of this triangle. Now area of the triangle, how will you find out? Now look at this, that triangle OAB. Can you tell me which type of triangle it will be? It will be an equilateral triangle. Why? Because you see this one is 21, no, this also 21. So if it is an isosceles triangle, base angle should be equal. Now these two angles should be equal. Okay, if this one is 60, next should be remaining angle is 120, and each should be equal, means each one will be 60 and 60. That means what? It is an equilateral triangle, and our AB, that chord will be also 21. So this is an equilateral triangle. We know how to find out the area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3a square by 4, where A is the side of the triangle. Okay, now third one, we are going to find out area of segment. Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So let us write that one, area of equilateral triangle. Now area of sector, pi r square theta by 360, that we already find out there, minus equilateral triangle area is root 3a square by 4. That is, let us mark, instead of this one, put this value 231 minus root 3 into a is 21 into 21 by 4. Okay, so 231 minus, you have to find, put the value of root 3 there, that is 1.73 into 21 by 4. So multiply and get the answer there. 231 minus, let me multiply that one, 21 into 21, 441 root 3 by 4. So when we multiply, root 3 value is 1.73, so that is equal to 190.73. subtract that one, you will get 40.27. okay, so here either you can keep it like this, or final answer up to this one you have to find out according to the mark you proceed. Okay, maximum mark is 4, so maximum mark, if it is given for this question, all the steps up to this much you have to do. Okay, now let us discuss the sixth one. Sixth one, a chord of radius, chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter, subtends an angle of 60 at the center. Find the area of corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. Now here also the same way, one circle is there, one chord is there, that subtends an angle 60 degree with the center. You are asked to find out the area of minor segment, that is this much portion, and area of major segment. Okay, now how will you get that one minor segment? Area of sector minus area of this triangle. Same as the fifth question, here also you are getting, it is an equilateral triangle because this center angle is 60 degree and these two are radius, so it is an equilateral triangle. Area you can find out by subtracting that root 3a square by 4. Okay, now area of minor segment, area of minor segment, that is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of sector pi r square theta by 360 minus root 3 a square by 4. Now pi value, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14. It is given there 3.14. So let us use that one. 15 into 15 by 360, and here root 3 into 15 by 4. Now find out that 15 into 15, 225, multiply by 3.14 divided by 360. Again 225, 1.73, that value also given there. So let me multiply and write the answer. So 3.14 into 15 into 15 into 60, that is theta is equal to 60 by 360. So again 15 into 15 into root 3 by 4. So 225 multiplied by 1.73 by 4. Here you will get 60 and 360 you can cancel, that 6 it will come. 225 multiplied by 3.14 by 6. So when you are multiplying, you are getting the answer 117.75 minus 97.3125. So your final answer is 20.4375. Now that is the minor segment, area of minor segment. Now area of major segment, will be pi r square minus area of minor segment. So pi r square, that value is 225 multiplied by 3.14. Okay, already pi r square, theta we can avoid that one. Okay, minus area of segment is 20.4375. We already multiplied that value. It is 706.5 minus 20.4375. So 706.5, then 20.4375. So 5, 2, 6, again 4, 6, then 9 minus 2, 76.0625 you are getting. Okay, so 600 and it is 8, no, 686 686.0625 you are getting. Okay, now how we are find out that one? Directly minor segment area by area of sector minus area of triangle. After finding area of minor segment, area of major segment we find out by pi r square minus area of minor segment, that is pi r square, that means whole area of the circle minus the area of segment will minor segment will give you area of the major segment. Problem: a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of 5 meter long rope. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Then second question is increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. So one square is there, square shaped field is there. Now on one side, one corner, a horse is tied and the rope is 5 meter long. So this much area it can graze. Okay. Now that means it is a sector forming. The area is area of the sector. Okay. Now if the rope's length is increased, how much it can graze? That is second one it will come. Again it will be the shape of a sector. Okay. So here in first case r is equal to 5 meter and theta is equal to 90 degree. We know that for the square every angle will be 90 degree. Okay. So area will be equal to pi r square theta by 360. So pi into that is 3.14 into 5 into 90 by 360. 90 and 360 you can cancel 4 times. So it is 25 or 25 pi by 4 you can write, or 25 into 3.14 divided by 4. If you want you can find out the answer and write that. Okay. Now so let us first mark that is 25 pi only. Okay. So 25 pi by 4, because one more you have to find out, no? Increase in area also you have to find out. Now second one area when r is equal to 10 and theta is same as 90 degree. So what will be the area? Pi r square theta by 360, where pi value pi itself you can write 10 into 10 by into 90 by 360. 90 that 4. Okay. Then 5 and 5. So here 25 pi. Okay. So what is the increasing in area? 25 pi minus 25 pi by 4. Okay. 25 pi. So you have to take LCM. So 100 pi, 25 into 4, 100 pi minus 25 pi by 4. So 75 pi by 4. So you can avoid this much calculation. Now only this one you have to calculate, that is 75 into 3.14 by 4. Okay. Find out the answer there. Now now multiplication you will get 58.875. So here also it is asked. So first find out the answer of this one, that is 25 pi by 4, that is 19.625. Okay. Now seventh sum I have skipped that because of that problem should be solved by trigonometry, using trigonometry. We have not yet started that lesson. After completing that lesson, that problem will be discussed. So let us move to ninth one. A brooch is made with silver wire in a form of circle with diameter 35 millimeter. So diameter is given, that is 35 millimeter. Okay. Now the wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. find the total length of the silver wire used and the area of each sector of the broach. That figure is given there. Look at that figure. So what is given? A silver wire is formed in the circle. Okay, that is diameter is 35. So you are asked to find out total length of the silver wire used, and this 5 diameters are also using the silver wire it is made. So how to find out the how much total length of wire is used? That is, one is circle, that is circumference of the circle, plus 5 diameters. Okay, circumference of the circle, perimeter of the circle, plus 5 diameters will give you total length of the silver wire required. Okay, now the second part is area of each sector. Now this one is divided into 10 equal parts. So 360 is divided into 10 equal parts. That means the angle you will get as 360 divided by 10. Okay, so let us discuss that, do that one. So D is equal to 35 millimeter, it is given. Now theta will be equal to 360 divided by 10, that is equal to 36. Now first we are going to find out the first question, total length of the silver wire. Okay, so that is equal to 2 pi r plus 5d. 5d means diameters. So 2 pi r, that is 2r is pi. So in 6th standard you are already learned, if diameter is given, perimeter you can find out by pi into d also. So 35 into pi value, it is 3.14, or 22 by 7 also you can do it. So let us do like this, 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2. Okay, let us take like that. So 5 into 35. So 7 and 35 you can cancel, 5, 2 you can cancel. Here 22 into 5, 22 into 5 is 110 you will get. Then 35 into 5, 35 5s are 5, 2, 175, no, 5, 25, 2, 175. Okay, 175 plus 110, 285 millimeter. Okay, everything is given in millimeter. So this much millimeter, if you want you can convert it into centimeter also. Now area of sector, that is pi r square theta by 360, where theta we discussed that 360 divided by 10, that is 36. Theta is equal to 36. So pi value 22 by 7 you can write. R square, that is 35 by 2. Let us take 35 by 2 so that we can cancel with 7. That 36 by 360. So you can cancel, that is 10 you will get. Here 5. Now 22, that 2 you can 2 you can cancel. 5 also you can cancel, here 2 you will get. So 11 into 35 divided by 4 you will get. Okay, so 35 into 11, 385 by 4, or if you want you can divide and get the answer. 385 by 4 means 36 9, then 36 25, that is 696.25, like that you will get. Okay, now that is our. So let us find out that 10th one. It is given an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So it is given it is a flat circle. Now 8 ribs are there. That means it is divided into 8 equal parts. Okay, so each angle will be 360. Theta will be equal to 360 divided by 8, that is equal to 45 degree. Okay, theta. Now how to find out the area? Area of sector will be equal to pi r square theta by 360, that is equal to r is given there 45. Okay, radius also 45, so r is 45 there. So pi value 3.14 into 45 into 45, again pi theta is also 45 by 360. Now 45 and 360 you can cancel there, 8 you will get. Now multiply and divide by 8. Let me multiply and write the answer here. So 794.8125 centimeter square you will get. Okay, you can put the value 3.14 or 22 by 7. Slight difference will be there in the points. Okay, now so